Victoria Public Hall. The Town Hall of erstwhile Madras is a historical landmark building in Chennai, constructed between 1886 to 1890 and named after Queen Victoria to commemorate the Golden Jubilee of her reign. Designed by architect Robert Chisholm and built by Namberumal Chetty, the building is an excellent example of Indo-Saracenic architecture and has been a venue for major historical events in the history of Chennai. It has been visited by various eminent personalities such as Mahatma Gandhi and Swami Vivekananda. For decades, the building had fallen into disuse and suffered significant structural damage. Issues such as severe cracks, dilapidated wooden floors, leaking roofs, and wild vegetation growth contributed to the building's deterioration. In 2022, the Greater Chennai Corporation launched a project to restore and revitalize the structure, aiming to transform it into a museum and cultural venue. The restoration scope involves extensive structural repairs, including seismic retrofitting and a comprehensive restoration of both the exterior and interior. Includes the roof, wooden staircase, doors and windows restoration. The two-storied structure measures about 45 meter into 24 meter and rises up to a height of 21 meter. Its facade, adorned with exposed brick masonry and ornate cantilevered granite balconies, was carefully repaired to preserve its architectural integrity using techniques such as Dutchman repair and lime plastic repair. The wall plastering and moldings were redone in lime plaster following traditional methods. The pitched roof, originally supported by wooden trusses with Mangalore tiles, has undergone severe deterioration. The trusses had to be replaced with MS trusses and the roof was carefully redone with salvaged wooden members, wooden boarding and Mangalore tiles. Following the zero-puncture roofing system and the iconic wooden false ceiling of the main hall was carefully removed, documented and restored to its original glory. The unique Italianate tower, rising 37 meters with a copper finial, has a steep wooden truss roof, which was restored through fine carpentry work. The intricate lime plaster works on the tower facade have been attended to using lime plastic repairs. The walls of the tower room were braced using MS sections as a seismic retrofitting intervention, and an additional MS staircase was introduced within the tower to access the balcony-level deck floor, offering beautiful city views. The three ornate wooden staircases were also brought back to life skillfully by our artisans. All the wooden elements were enhanced with fine polish finish and the walls were finished using paints to enrich the embellishments of the interiors. The acoustic treatment of the first floor hall has been done using customized fabric to harmoniously gel with the Victorian interiors. The historic proscenium was meticulously reconstructed by customizing the embossed aluminium sheet borders as per the historic samples found at site. All the wooden furniture, brass hardware and heritage lights were custom manufactured for the building as per the guidance received from the consultant having the Victorian design elements. The project also includes the installation of modern elevator, HVAC and firefighting systems to convert the ground floor of the building into a museum while retaining the first floor as a cultural venue for public use. Facade illumination also has been provided to enhance the architectural elements and beauty of the exposed brick structure. We, Savani Heritage Conservation Private Limited, feel extremely grateful to have been awarded the restoration works for this iconic project, and we extend our heartfelt thanks to the client, Greater Chennai Corporation, and to the consultant, Abha Narayan Lamba Associates, for this wonderful opportunity and guidance throughout the process.